Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily transfer your data, so synchronize your photos or videos from your Android to your Mac. So here you can see this application, so you can also find it in Google and just download it on your Mac OS, and you just after you install it you will see this window. So you need to choose transfer, so just click on transfer. You need to connect your Android device to with cable to your computer, so you need to click on your Android that you trust this program to allow access for this application. Just click on transfer and just wait until it will allow you to transfer your data between your phone and computer. So here you can see that it's successfully synchronizing, and also here you can see different options. Home, here you can see your phone that it's successfully connected, your music, videos, photos, apps, and Explorer. For example, music. And also here you can see that we can also transfer device media to iTunes, transfer iTunes media to device, transfer device photos to Mac, and also you can choose one of this option and it will successfully transfer your data to your Mac. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.